Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Amazon. First, you have to open your Google Chrome web browser, and in the URL section, you have to simply type www.amazon.com and click on the search section. And here we can see we just landed to the Amazon official homepage, and on the top right corner beside the returns has a sign in. Click on that. You have to simply type down your email or phone number and click on the continue option right here. And you are also required with your password as well, so simply write down your password, and after you're done with it you can simply click on the sign in, and then you'll be successfully signed in to your Amazon account. And you can see here's also a small button. If you want to keep signed in to your device that you just signed in, then you can simply click on this option, but if you do not want it, so you can just tap it right there in order to not keep you signed in to your Amazon. So thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.